Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Telegram wallet. So first, you just have to open or launch your Binance application and go to your USDT. Make sure that you have enough balance to your USDT here. Now you have to scroll down and click withdrawal, that is next to deposit. Here you have two options: send via crypto network, send via email, phone, or ID. So let me choose the first one, send via crypto network. Once you tap this one, you need to enter some information such as the address, which we're going to copy from our Telegram wallet network, but this one is not necessary. Withdrawal amount, and like what I have mentioned earlier, you must have an available USDT on your Binance in order for you to proceed. So we're going to exit our Binance first and open our Telegram. Open Telegram, go to open wallet. And then this time you have to go to your USDT or this dollar sign here. Tap this one. And then once you tap this, and then you have to click this receive. Tap this one. Now click done. Choose USDT network, select the second one, and this is your address. So all you have to do is to simply copy this, copy address, and then exit your Telegram again and go back to your Binance application. Now, as you can see here, there is this address. So paste your address that you have copied from your Telegram network. This one is not necessary, and then withdrawal amount. After that, you need to click withdraw. Now you will see this notification. So you did not fill in memo. Please confirm, but obviously we don't have the memo for that. So you just have to click submit to proceed. And here's the confirm order. You can now recheck or review all the information before you tap confirm. So once everything is okay, once everything is good, now you can click this confirm button. After that, it will ask for Authenticator app verification. So you need to paste it here, Authenticator app. And then after that, click submit. Then you will see this withdrawal processing. And all you have to do is to click view history. Once it is finished or completed, you can go back to your Telegram and check if you have received that USDT from Binance. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.